Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing the Scarecrow makeup. Make sure you subscribe, I would love to have you. Let's start the video. First, I'm going to be using the Juvia's Place Zulu palette, and I'm going to be taking the orange shade and I'm going to be placing that on the crease of my eyelid and on the outer corner with a fluffy blending brush. Now I'm going to be taking a blending brush with no product and blending the orange eyeshadow so there are no harsh lines. I'm going to be repeating the same steps on both eyes. Now I'll be using the Jeffree Star Jawbreaker palette. Using a little darker orange shade, I'll be darkening up the crease of my eye. Taking the brown shade, I'll be blending that into the outer corner of my eye to darken the outer corner of my eye like a smoky eye. With the same fluffy brush I used for the orange eyeshadow, I'll blend the brown into the orange. Now I'm going to do the same steps on the other eye. I'm going to be taking pure glitter and applying it on the inner corner of my eye. I'm going to be taking a Juvia's Place foundation stick and covering my lips. This way when I apply the eyeshadow, it will stick to my lips and blend out way better. I'm going to be using the same eyeshadow shades as I used on my eyes. I'm going to be blending the eyeshadow out of the corner of my lips. Now with the eyeliner pencil, I'm going to be drawing the Scarecrow's mouth. take a liquid eyeliner and go over what I I just drew so it won't smudge. I'm going to take my finger and smudge the small lines. This way it will look more real, but you don't want to smudge too much, so be careful. Now I'm going to be drawing the nose with my liquid eyeliner. With the orange eyeshadow, I'm going to be filling in the oval-shaped nose. Now I'm going to be drawing small lines on the nose to look like the nose was sewn on. Taking a fan brush, I'm going to be making a couple spots to make it look more like a scarecrow. Using my eyebrow pencil, I'm going to be adding some freckles. Finally, I'm going to be applying some mascara and lashes. I'm going to take some of the straw and have it coming out of the top of my shirt and in my hair. If you want to see more Halloween videos, like this video and comment below what I should do next. See you in my next video!